In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to engage with ChatGPT, a helpful AI tool designed to assist you with a variety of questions and tasks. Whether you're looking for quick advice, intriguing facts, or just a fun conversation, ChatGPT has you covered. Let's dive right in and discover how to make the most out of this versatile tool. First things first, you need to open ChatGPT. This is your gateway to unlimited conversations with an AI that can provide information, ideas, or just some lighthearted interaction. Once you have ChatGPT in front of you, it's time to start a conversation. You might notice a new chat option on the left sidebar. This is handy if you wish to keep your conversations organized, but selecting it is entirely optional. What really matters is that you direct your attention to the message box, your main point of interaction. Here, you can type anything you wish to ask or discuss. The beauty of this step is that it can be customized entirely to your needs. For instance, you could ask something practical like, "Give me 3 quick breakfast ideas I can cook in 10 minutes. This is just one example of the vast array of prompts and inquiries you can present to ChatGPT. The key is to pose open-ended questions or requests to get the most out of the experience. After you've typed your message and hit enter, it's time to sit back and read the reply. ChatGPT will process your request and deliver a thoughtful response. If you find that the initial answer doesn't quite meet your expectations, feel free to follow up. You might want to adjust or refine your inquiry, such as requesting, "Make option 2 vegetarian." This back-and-forth interaction is crucial as it allows you to dig deeper into the responses and derive exactly what you need from the conversation. Finally, after a satisfying exchange, you have the option to save or copy the dialogue. This step is optional but incredibly useful if you've gathered valuable insights or information that you'll want to reference later. Having that capability means not needing to repeat the conversation or worry about losing helpful advice. By the end of this guide, I hope you have a clear understanding of how to initiate and navigate a session with ChatGPT effectively. Remember, the more you explore and experiment with your prompts, the more engaging and personal the replies will become, allowing you to harness the full potential of AI interaction. Happy chatting!